Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. This one is how to fix the issue in Zoom where of course you might be realizing that the person you're speaking to, their voice is very low or you're not hearing very clear audio. So in case you're getting that bug or that problem where you're not getting very clear audio, try the following. It should fix the problem. Alright, so go ahead guys, and of course once you are in the app, make sure you're on any profile, doesn't really matter. Tap to show the menus. Once you see that, go ahead and tap the speaker icon once. It should disable the audio. You're going to tap again, and of course it should enable the audio again. Sometimes by toggling the audio on and off, what's happening is that it can fix the overall loudspeaker issues. It might have started out rough, but of course if you do that, it should help out. If that doesn't work, go ahead and hit back. You'll exit the meeting, and of course you can try closing the app out. Once you close the app out, you can always go back, find the Zoom application, relaunch, and of course, sorry guys, so just go do that and exit, and then you can always come back to the meeting in most cases. And of course the meeting, since you're the host of the meeting, or if you're just a participant, it should still be good for exiting and entering the meeting once they're active persons. If you're the only person in the meeting, it of course will end until you return and start it back up. All right, so just to clarify. Also, I just forgot. All right, so in case again guys, if a person is using headphones or headphones connected, that can also affect their audio coming through. So in case you're not hearing somebody, if they're using headphone jacks, or if they're using their earpiece, make sure that they disconnect their earpiece, and of course try again, because sometimes if that will happen, it will prevent their audio from coming through clearly. Another thing that I would advise you to try out as well, in case you're having issues with Zoom, is to the person whose mic is giving issues, they can also exit on their end and re-enter the app. Also make sure that all the persons who are using Zoom have the latest version of Zoom installed and all of that. So if you check all of those things, you should be good for the most part. You can also go into settings. Sorry guys, you can also go into settings just to make sure everything is okay. Go into meeting, and once you're in meeting, you can check your settings. You can scroll down. You can also check your settings, make sure that sound-based settings are all okay. Make sure that use this option is off as well. It says use original sound. You can toggle it on and off to see if you get better audio, but however, if you turn it on, I think it will re-enable the noise suppression, and you'll be getting more noise. But of course you can try toggle it on and off, or maybe somebody turned it on or off by mistake. The default option is going to be off, so maybe it's on for you. You may want to turn it off, as it does make the audio much clearer by enabling the audio suppression or the noise suppression feature that's built in. So you may want to mess with that to see if that improves. Remember, it's off by default. All right guys, I think I've covered all the major things that might mess with your audio. So in case you're having audio issues. All right, Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.